Are you fucking serious? I just charged that thing all night and you're fucking wasting it right now? You're such a tool. You're so fucking...
Going riding!
I fucking hate you sometimes. So are you excited for today?
Yeah.
Good to know. That's good. Are you gonna hit the double?
I don't know. I want to see it again.
That's the wrong answer. I hit it when I was on that bike.
Yeah, when you were 16.
When I was better than you is what you meant.
No, when you were
fucking
16.
suck.
When you were
I can't remember if I explained actually what's happening today or not, but the way this whole weekend kind of started was me and Ty. We got invited to go to this organized practice or something. It's pretty much just a ride day out at some friend that owns a track, and because of this virus, he can only have so many people, so he asked a bunch of people if they wanted to come, and we got an invite, so that's where we're going right now. And since it's like 3.5 hours away from our house, the track we went to yesterday, Chaos, is actually only about an hour away instead. So that's kind of what we based the trip around. Was we'd go there, then we'd stay at a hotel, and then we'd go here in the morning so that it wouldn't be nearly as long of a drive. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're going to a track called B3. I don't know if I said that, but we still have like an hour-long drive ahead of us. But when we get there, hopefully we'll make it on time. That'd be nice. Guess we'll see. The other thing is, I'm not sure how much I can record on the GoPro today, if we're actually doing like little motos or something. I'll see, but I'm not sure. But I'll try to at least get one lap or one moto or whatever. I'm not really sure how it's working today, but I guess I'll see what happens, and that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys when we get there. All right, hope you can hear me. What they're doing today is open practice until noon, so I don't know how much I can record, but I'm gonna try to record some shit before noon, hopefully. So that is rough. Oh. Shit.
It's just about to go.
Alright, well, while we're sitting here, some kid, I think he got landed on over the tunnel jump or whatever. So yeah, I don't know. They're up there dealing with him right now. I don't know if he's okay or not. I haven't seen either of them stand up, I don't think. But yeah, they had people ride their bikes back, and there's a lot of people up there. And yeah, I'm not sure what's happening, but I guess we'll see. All right, well, good news. They got an ambulance here. The kid supposedly broke his ankle and dislocated his shoulder. He got blown by the wind, and then he went down, and he got landed on by two guys. So yeah, he's pretty sore or whatever. But the ambulance came, they took him away. I think he's good, and we're going back up. All right, just got done like the first moto, and I think I got like 5th. I'm not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure it was 5th though. Yeah, I'm not gonna make some sorry ass excuse on why I didn't win. They were just faster than me. I couldn't keep up with them. The guy in front of me, I was gaining on him a bit every lap, but he was more consistent than me. It's so dry, and a lot of the flat corners I'd slide out or something trying to find a new line to get past, but I don't think I saw him make barely any mistakes. So he was definitely a lot more consistent, and he deserved to beat me there. I'm gonna fucking pass out, but actually I don't think we have any set amount of motos. We just keep going until we're done, so I think we'll be here all day. How was your moto?
Not bad.
What'd you get?
3rd.
Bullshit.
I did.
Did the other people crash?
No.
Did you hit the double?
65? No.
You're a pussy.
I'm not supposed to if you're in E-class.
Are you serious? You're gonna use that as an excuse now?
I don't want to go in A-class.
You don't have to go in A class if you hit the double.
Just 65 beat me and Rowan.
Rowan beat you? Still in the 85? Holy shit, Ty's in first. Well, he still got it. Well, he's in second, so that's not too bad. Yeah, finally just finished my last moto. I wasn't even really going that hard. I had such bad arm pump on the first lap already. I was just kind of taking it easy, having fun. I think that's it. We got a 3.5 hour drive home, so we got to start packing up and heading home. But yeah, I don't know, it was fun, but we got to go pack now. So whew, there we go. That was a good weekend. How was it today, Ty?
Dusty.
How's your tire?
Flat.
Yeah, today was really long. My arms are fucking killing me. They're still rock hard from arm pump. But yeah, this was a pretty awesome weekend. We don't really go riding too much anymore, pretty much just races or riding in our own track. But yeah, it was fun to go out and actually go riding all weekend at 2 different tracks. That was fun. It was a lot of driving, a lot of riding, especially when we're just kind of getting back into riding. Our conditioning is not nearly good enough to actually do this. Like I am fucking dead. I'm probably gonna pass out while driving, but yeah, it was good. I didn't record very much today because it was kind of like motos, so I figured I'll record like a lap or 2 or something like that. But watching the exact same motos over and over would probably be kind of boring, so I just didn't bother. But yeah, it was good. I'm glad we went, even if it did cost a lot and took a lot of driving. And yeah, I don't know, it took a while, and that's pretty much it, I guess. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed all that stuff, whatever. Subscribe, all that. I guess I'll see you guys later. So bye.
Your love is suicidal. I thought that we were meant to be. You took my heart and made it bleed. I gave you all my ecstasy. I know you'll be the death of me.